Alright, game plan for October 23rd. High time frame trending bullish, high middle time frame bearish, middle time frame range bound, low time frame range bound as well. So yeah, Friday expecting lower volume, expecting lower time frame extremities, for example middle time frame extremities, to be respected more or less. As I said, middle time frame range bound, so ideally when that's the case, I'm taking a trade off of an overextension into the side of the middle time frame range that relativity favors. In this case, I want buys, ideally, or we misalign out of the range, overextend into this area here, maybe get a quick sell. So plan A, plan B. See what happens. DXY quite extended to the downside, but I feel like it could just continue low time frame pushing bearish after we correct a little bit of this. So we'll see what happens. Alright, not looking terrible right now. I don't like how that bullish push on gold was accompanied by a bullish push on DXY, because now we're at a point where low time frame wise we're likely going to retrace on DXY, which could end up exaggerating gold's push. I also don't like how high time frame trajectory wise we touched up at the bottom of the high time frame trending range, and you'd almost like assume that our overall move will be a continuation. Now we do have this higher time frame high here, which could come into play as well, but I feel like that almost reaches a point of irrelevance for just focusing on this structure here. There are a couple things I don't like about a potential entry here, but we'll see. I would like a bit more of an overextension, but I'm not sure if we'll get it. I also don't like how we do have some low time frame structure to work with in here, because I could see a reaction off this low. Yeah, I mean that could have been a solid sell. Man, at this point, like, just take the trade, bro. It's not that deep. Should have taken, maybe, but I had some reservations, so I'm not too upset. Just want to look at this. So that's the 10-15. Man, no, I'm not upset about not taking that. Everything factored in. A strong bullish volume, higher time frame extremity theory, right? The expectancy that we're going to continue here, and the DXY at a point where low time frame wise could pull back. I'm actually not upset about that.